Hello to you, troops. Guess where am I? Guess where am I? In my beloved Glasgow. It's pushing down. It's fucking pushing down, but I fucking love it, man. I just love it, you know. Here's your Glasgow genuine. Straight for Glasgow, as I promise you. Showing you Glasgow charms. I have to tell you that it's pushing down in Glasgow. My beloved Glasgow, but I couldn't care less. I love the, as you know, tell you, I love Glasgow smell, which is wind, whiskey and rain. Aye. And it's mad now. I couldn't care less, troops. So, it's me just now. Alright. Look, here I wanted to show you. This is, as I mentioned, this is Pacific Quay. As you know, my Glasgow was pure industrial city. Hundreds of ships were moored here. Can you imagine this? And Clyde was full of, was hotching with docks, ships moored here. Do you know what I mean? And that quay is called Pacific Quay. Alright. Here you can see Clydeside Distillery down there. Established by Morrison's in 2017. On the old docks as well. Still feel the fumes of whiskey for there. Oh, Glasgow, my love. And guess where am I? Here's your Glasgow genuine and Celtic dafty. Alright. I want to show you, So this ship, right in front of me, is called Glenlee. It's a great ship. Was built in around 1896. The new is just a museum on the water, museum on the Clyde. Let's just look how pure and brilliant that ship really is. Just look at it. Fucking look at it, troops. Pure and brilliant, aye. Glenlee, over here. Fucking stunning, as you know. That there, just on the other side of the River Clyde. Oh, aye, is Govan. As you know, established in 564 AD, so just before Glasgow. So it's even older than Glasgow, That there is Govan. With an even separate patron, who's the ruler of Kingdom of Strathclyde. And he was called Constantine. As you know, Govan became a part of Glasgow around 1864. It became a borough, separate borough, part of Glasgow around 1912. And you should see the Old Govan Parish Church with great Govan stones, hogback stones, which commemorate the first settlers of Govan, Vikings, and the rest. It's just the rest of Kingdom of Strathclyde. Alright, but moving back to look through that. Look at that, troops. Again, Pacific Quay and Finnestone down there. Here, I wanted to show you. Right. Pushing down again, man. Why it doesn't matter. Look, that says Riverside Museum. But this is kind of museum of transport, as you know, but it's called Riverside Museum. Built around 2011, but this very museum, which is stunning here, that Riverside Museum, that was called Museum of Transport. And it was situated at Kelvin Hall, at Kelvinsdale, facing Glasgow Uni. Opened around 1964. So when the last train disappeared from the street of Glasgow in the around 1962. So Museum of Transport was opened by Queen Elizabeth II. But this pure brilliant building was constructed by a Japanese architect in 2011. So this is the same, which was opened in 1964, right? This is great Riverside Museum. You know, it's me again, Glasgow genuinely, and Celtic Dafty. You can find here in Riverside Museum, you know, everything concerning transport, you know, trams, old Glasgow streets, everything, fucking everything, you know. Just, you love it. And this is one look at Riverside Museum, Pacific Quay down there. Alright, on the other side of the River Clyde. So check it out. So we're going to check it out. How to go on foot, on your foot, to Govan. Because that says, this very bridge is called Swively Bridge. Because it moves when the ships flowing through the Clyde. Once again, Glenlee, look. So this is your path to Govan. If you want to, you know, if you want to go there, if you want to go to Govan, you know, on foot, just cross the bridge using Govan, you know. Opened on 17th of, no 17th, sorry, my mistake, on 7th of September this year. And look how beautiful that bridge really is. So, Govan, this bridge, you know. Let me show you around a wee bit, because this is a bridge because you can go on your foot. So I can show you around. Look what's at me, just behind me, right behind me, you know. And then look, again, Swively Bridge. It's pushing them again, troops. I can pushing them. I shows the bridge at the very beginning. Wow. See, troops, down there you have Old Govan Parish Church. That's Govan. So that means that's Govan. Again, the Riverside Museum, Glenlee, all the Clyde. Look how pure and brilliant this bridge really is. It's my first time here. Because I wasn't here at the very opening, you know, so that's why I'm here showing you the beautiful city of Glasgow. Look at that. Because, you know, we are approaching Govan, troops. So if you want to go just 1 hour to reach Govan, you don't have to use underground, you know. You don't have to reach the Clockwork Orange. Just use this bridge, you know, footbridge, right? So, look for Swively Bridge once again on Madeira Clyde and Govan, the other side of the River Clyde. Pure brilliant reflections in the waters of Clyde, you know. So, I hope you love it. The more I'm going to, it's all money, so Happy New Year. But I'm going to, you know, I'm going to record something. So, have a beautiful, brilliant night. The Glasgow genuine and Celtic Dafty. Don't have my traffic on with me just now, but right.